Chippy
talk about no
Chippy
boat and no
versus Chip
Lincoln because
Block.
I'm going to go back in my
Brit
feelings
gets
and then I'm
mad
going
on
to leave and I
live.
come back.
So you go take me back now?
For the third time in a 1 month, yes.
Okay.
So on a day, serious relation, them, you never know.
Yeah, we
Like,
did. We did. Yeah, yeah.
serious.
Yeah, we
Brit,
did.
Brit.
So what about your current girlfriend, World Dog?
If Brit really made me good and treat me good, I will leave this current girlfriend and be with Brit.
So hold on. Hold on. So right now, you're in a relationship now with somebody else besides me right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah!
No, bro, no. Brit, don't mash up your house, Brit. Do not mash up your house.
Brit, come here. Come here. Come here, Brit.
Jesus Christ, chippy and chippy too.
No, she named Chip. She named Chip Chop. No, she named Chip.
Is she named Chip Glock?
No, Brit named Chip. Where she named Chip out?
Chip
Hold
out.
on.
Old.
Oh, so hold on.
See, it chippy now.
Brit, listen what me I say.
You're with
Listen what me I
somebody
say.
else that's not me.
Listen what me I try to say. You hear what me I say right now? Because y'all get ignorant and you not listen what I'm trying to say to you. Y'all listen what me I say to you?
Yeah.
Listen what me I say to you. Me say, right now, you hurt me the other day with Lincoln. Remember your Lincoln link up, kiss on table, Lincoln hold you on your neck, and all these things. I was
True.
hurt. I was dramatized because he wasn't talking to me for a week. I went and
True.
had sex. I have sex. Yes, I did.
Understandable.
I'm
Understandable.
just
Understandable. Yeah.
understandable. Everybody
No.
understand that.
Brit,
So
that makes sense. That makes sense, Brit. Him catch this, him catch about this, so that makes sense.
Yeah, he
Him
was
catch this.
dramatized.
yes,
So,
I was dramatized.
it was dramatized, so he went ahead and get a girl that going to love him and have sex.
Yes.
That's squits. That's squits. So Tony can fly like
Squid.
a bird.
Yes.
That's squid
True.
sound. So any look more thing happening after this, the two on the rank. So you flirting with
Hold
Lincoln.
on. Tell everybody if you send a rose because tell everybody if you send me can't miss this and say nothing. Tell
Okay.
everybody if you send a
Yes.
rose.